Hello students, this is Nitin Mohor, and through this video we are understanding the concept of XOR gate, XNOR gate and half adder circuit. XOR gate is basically called as exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate gives output high when the inputs are different, and when the inputs are same the output is 0. An encircled plus sign means the plus sign and the circle around it indicates the exclusive or XOR operation in a Boolean equation. You can see here the Boolean equation for the XOR gate or two input XOR gate to be more specific. So if two input XOR gate is there, A and B are the inputs of XOR gate with symbol like this, then at the output you will get A circled plus B, and the truth table for the XOR gate, where you can see the output is high when the inputs are different and the output is 0 when the inputs are same. This A circled plus B is also written as y equals to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. Now for A dot B bar and plus A bar dot B, the logic circuit can be drawn like this. Here A and B are the inputs which are coming to this AND gate as A and B bar, while for this AND gate they are coming as A bar and B. So at the output of this AND gate you will get A B bar, while here you will get A bar into B. These two separate inputs are provided as an input to the two input OR gate, and at the output of the OR gate you will get the Boolean equation or the logic equation, which is the output of XOR gate, that is A circle plus B or A B bar plus A bar B. So far the IC of exclusive OR gate is concerned, it is IC 7486. It's basically a 14-pin IC where the pin number 7 and pin number 14 are the power supply pins, that is ground and VCC pins, and rest of the 12 pins are used for the input and output connections of the XOR gate. That's why it is called as quad 2 input XOR gate, since it accommodates 4 XOR gates within single IC. Moving on to exclusive NOR gate, it is also called as XNOR gate. As we know, the Boolean equation for the XOR gate is A circle plus B. So here an extra inverter will be provided at the end of the XOR gate and you will get exclusive NOR gate. Or if you are drawing in terms of the symbol for the XNOR gate, then it will be shown like this. This is the symbol for the XNOR gate where A and B are the inputs, and here a small bubble adds an inversion. So at the output you are getting A circle plus B whole bar. This is the Boolean equation of XNOR gate, and if you want to write it in a expanded way, it can be written as y equal to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B whole bar. The truth table of the XNOR gate is exactly opposite to that of XOR gate, where the output is high only when the inputs are same and the output is low when the inputs are different. Exclusive NOR gate gives an high output when all the inputs are same, that we already seen. From the Boolean expression of an XNOR gate, the logic circuit for the circuit can be drawn like this. So here you can see two AND gates are shown. To first AND gate the inputs A and B are given, while for the second AND gate the inputs are A bar and B bar. Hence the output here will be A dot B, while here the outputs are A bar dot B bar, and when they will be provided as a separate inputs to the OR gate, we will get AB plus A bar dot B bar, that is written as A circled dot B. Now we will see the expression which we have already seen as y equals to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B whole bar as a logic expression for the XNOR gate, whether it is true or whether it is equivalent to this logic expression. So we will apply here De Morgan's first law to this expression. De Morgan's first law is A plus B whole bar equals to A bar into B bar. Now here we will consider this term A dot B bar as A and A bar dot B as B, and whole bar, that gives A bar dot B bar. So I will get A dot B bar whole bar dot A bar dot B whole bar. Now to these individual brackets, I will apply De Morgan's second law. So when I will apply De Morgan's second law, which is A dot B whole bar equals to A bar plus B bar, and here I have to consider this A as a while B bar as a B. Similarly here A bar as a and B as a B. So when I will consider this term and when I will apply De Morgan's second law to this individual bracket, applying De Morgan's law to the first bracket, I will get here A bar plus B double bar. A bar plus B double bar. B double bar means B. So A bar plus B, I will get dot A double bar, that is A plus B bar. And when I will apply Boolean laws, that is multiplication is done within this bracket and this bracket, I will get A bar into A plus A bar into B bar plus B into A plus B into B bar. By applying Boolean laws to this, A bar into A is always 0, B bar into B is also 0. So I will get A bar B bar plus B A, and which is nothing but this equation, which can also be written as A circle dot B. Again, so far the IC of exclusive NOR gate is concerned, it is again a 14 pin IC, of which the pin number 7 and pin number 14 are the supply pins, and it's a quad 2 input XNOR gate IC since it accommodates 4 XNOR gates within a single IC. But here you can see the direction of these two XNOR gate is from left to right, while here the direction is opposite. Moving on to the half adder circuit, where the XOR gate is employed. XOR half adder circuit is what? It adds 2 bits or binary digits at a time, and hence it is called half adder. You can see here the half adder circuit. It consists of AND gate and an XOR gate with common inputs AB, which are shared with both the gates, and 2 outputs, namely sum and carry. Output of XOR gate is sum, while output of AND gate is a carry. The logic circuit is like this. The truth table here, since it has 2 inputs, so 2 bits which we are going to add will be either 0 0 or 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 or 1 plus 1. So when we will add these 2 bits, we will get sum equals to 0, carry equals to 0. In both these cases, only single bit is high, second bit is 0, therefore the sum will be 1 and the carry will be 0, while in the last case the sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. And this is the schematic of half adder, or half adder symbolically shown like this. I hope the idea of XOR gate and its complete working, along with XNOR gate and its complete working, along with their ICs, Boolean equation, logic circuit, their truth tables, along with the half adder circuit is clear to you. Thank you.